on concrete streets, they feel out of place. Why not take a bite of pure sunlight? It's a different kind of taste. Oh, so long, I'm going home, past the blinds of closed windows. I'm going home, find a place where life still shows.
What is innovation? Innovation refers to changing and creating more effective processes, products, selling techniques, and ideas within a business. It can involve developing an idea into a physical good or service which brings value and satisfaction to the consumer. An innovation is created to meet the needs and expectations of a customer more effectively than what is currently being achieved.
Has anyone ever told you
The short
that you
video,
have all
Does Love Last Forever, was produced by the CHE proximity in collaboration with the BUS Society and Noise International through the production company Will O'Rourke for the company
Now
Cochlear.
that's what Jake calls music.
Basically, the video is cleverly produced into tricking the audience into
Fatty,
taking
fatty,
the hearing
boom,
test.
boom.
Audiences are prompted to pose the question, does love last? The video follows the relationship of a female and male from their first encounter through to the mature stages of their relationship and their lives. Conversations become more muffled or masked by ambient sounds, the ability to lip read becomes impaired by objects or people, and body language is choreographed to appear negative, so it is unable to be used as a relevant cue. As the video and subsequently the couple's relationship progress, these techniques become utilised even more, which produces two very different conclusions to the film. Those who suffer from impaired hearing experienced a love which didn't last and the breakdown of the couple's relationship, whereas those without a hearing impairment witnessed a long-lasting love where the relationship stayed intact.
A mixtape, if you want.
Okay.
It sets itself apart from its competitors through targeting a much broader audience. Instead of focusing mainly on individuals who know they need hearing aids or have hearing impairments, it instead educates viewers on whether they have a hearing impairment and positions themselves as the answer to this need. Other brands in the hearing aid market place a focus on older individuals by having them model the product, which could be discouraging to younger consumers. Cochlear takes the focus away from modelling the product or showing it in use, and instead focuses on how it could improve everyday life for all individuals. It utilizes three marketing concepts to enhance its marketing of their earpieces. These include product layers, societal marketing, and integrated marketing communications.
Speak of the dragon.
Oh, don't answer it.
The first concept I will discuss is product layers. With each layer, the customer is gaining more value with the product and is therefore going to be more satisfied or more willing to become a consumer. By breaking a product into three distinct layers, we take into consideration the core, actual, and augmented benefits of the product.
I'm sorry, you're right. I'm a terrible husband. And terribly
of the product are the benefits which purchasing the product will provide. Which needs will the product fill for the consumers and therefore become a want? In the case of Cochlear, the product allows the consumer the ability to hear again. The benefits of the product are intertwined cleverly into the advertising, showing the individual is disadvantaged without their ability to hear. With this product, they will feel more connected to their loved ones and stop missing out on important information, stories, and verbal cues, which have an importance to their everyday lives and relationships. It will also give them the ability to distinguish environmental sounds such as birds, a telephone, or car horns, and be therefore more aware and involved with their surroundings. The product will just overall create an easier, more connected life for the individual. The actual product being offered is a cochlear implant hearing aid. The implant uses electrical impulses to stimulate the spiral ganglion cells within the ear and therefore allow the individual to hear again. They offer a wide range of designs and colours of hearing aids to fit the lifestyles and preferences of a variety of consumers. The implant is engineered to be extremely thin and discreet for those wearing it, in addition to having an extremely wide electrode range so that the implant fits comfortably within the ear. They have the ability to connect to individuals' iPhones or Android mobile devices to easily adjust volumes, frequencies, battery levels, and even assist in the location of the implant when removed from the ear. To suit all lifestyles, Cochlear have a range of waterproof designs and ensure they are compatible with MRI scanners. The product provides many augmented features to add overall value. Cochlear have a well-developed website which outlines features of each implant, gives detailed advice and support to consumers not only in relation to their product but also hearing impairments, and guides them to clinics which the implant may be fitted and their hearing can be tested. Cochlear have developed a resource called My Cochlear, which provides customers with personalised information in addition to all the tools and resources required for the upkeep of their implants. Societal marketing is a principle of sustainable marketing. It involves companies creating products which are not only desirable but beneficial. They consider long-term interests of the society. Companies understand by neglecting these societal needs it would be a disservice to the society. Cochlear ear implants provide so many benefits to those who wear them. As presented by the advertisement, Does Love Last? The ability to hear is an important asset to the lives of individuals, bringing them closer to their loved ones, environment, and life overall. The marketing highlight is an example of societal marketing as it works to resolve a societal issue, hearing impairments or deafness, which affects society on a large scale and will continue to be a health concern of society for many years to come. Currently, 3.5 million people suffer hearing loss of some capacity, with 85% of them choosing not to do anything about it. The highlight also displays societal marketing as it provides individuals from all walks of life the access to a hearing test. Individuals are educated on their hearing ability and presented a solution before it becomes a long-term impact on their lives or health. With the constant shift in consumers, technology, and marketing platforms, it is important that marketers utilise these changes to be successful and keep ahead of the competitors. This concept is known as integrated marketing communications. Cochlear really utilise this concept both in their marketing highlight and within their company. The highlight is presented through the medium of film and utilises many modern filmic techniques and ideas. Originally, the highlight was shown to consumers before modern releases at the cinema, which is an innovative way to address the modern consumer, who visit the cinema as a recreational activity on a semi-regular basis. It can now be found online, another medium which fits the habits of today's consumers. Another important aspect of integrated marketing communications is maintaining consistency with all advertising initiatives and mediums. Cochlear achieved this by maintaining a modern approach with this highlight and their online personality. Their website is modern and high-tech, but still simple for the consumer to navigate, much like their product. In conclusion, the marketing highlight, Does Love Last, is an innovation by Cochlear as it appeals to a wider audience and approaches advertising much differently to the competitors. In a new, engaging way, the marketing technique of product layering, societal marketing, and integrated marketing communications are all utilised in the highlight effectively to the advantage of the marketer.